For the last year, I've been sent a lot of recovery slides to test, but I decline to review most of them because they don't do anything different or change anything mechanically. However, I feel that these ones do, and I'll explain exactly why in this video. Just a quick note before we start, this is a paid sponsorship video with Enertor. They sent me these slides to review, but they play no influence in the editorial process, and this is an honest personal opinion. Exactly the same as it would be with all my other reviews. So let me show you what makes these different from all the other recovery slides on the market. These are designed specifically for recovery only. If after exercising you have tired calves, sore feet or general lower limb fatigue, these are meant to replace your everyday walking sandals to help with your recovery. As a result, they're something that you put on around the house to facilitate your recovery. They're not designed to be walking sliders that you wear outside. My first impressions are actually really good. They came in a really nice solid box. Inside it was a carrier bag, so you can pop them in if you're going to the gym or for after your training session. Now, in terms of design, there are a few things that stood out straight away, like the weight, which is 247 grams, which is quite light for a recovery slide. One of the biggest features is the 20mm drop from the heel to the forefoot. We know that a higher drop helps to offload the Achilles and the calf muscles. So those of you with sore or tired calf muscles after you exercise, it really helps to reduce the stress that's placed through them, whether you're walking or standing. The midsole is quite soft and forgiving, but it's not unstable, and that's the crucial part. It's softer in the middle part of the insole, but then firmer all around it to make sure you that flatbed that the slider sits on gives you a stable base of support, but allows that comfort for your foot to relax. A lot of sliders do the opposite. They're really soft and therefore make your foot work harder, providing the opposite effect of what you want from a recovery tool. Now, because of Enertor's background in biomechanics, they've put in some really smart features in this shoe. There's a gentle arch contour, which helps to provide some support to your arch of your foot without being too intrusive, so it doesn't push up into it, but you can just notice that it's there. They put in a metatarsal bar, which is a softer piece of material that goes across the forefoot. It helps it to offload it, which really makes sense because if you have a higher drop like these do, having that extra softness underneath the ball of your foot facilitates recovery and makes sure that extra pressure on there is counteracted by the metatarsal bar. And underneath you've got an anti-slip surface, which makes perfect sense if you're coming out of the shower or wet surfaces, or if you're walking around on tiles, just to give you that extra element of grip. One of my favorite features, which I felt when I put them on straight away, is that the upper wraps snugly around your foot. That's one of the main issues I have with slides. If you're working with your toes to lift up to try and hold on the slider so that your foot doesn't slip out when you're moving around, it really counteracts all the benefits that it has. In these, a snug fit when I put it in, it wraps around my foot and it just stays in place. It's not too tight that it's compressing the arch of the foot or the metatarsals. It's just snug enough to keep the slide on, which is really important. Now, Enertor did run a small consumer study on this with 39 participants, which had some interesting results. The participants exercised at least 3 times a week, primarily runners, but some other activity as well. 92% reported less pain and soreness after exercise. 89% felt less fatigued after using the slides, and 87% of the participants felt they recovered faster. Now, this is self-reported data. It's not a very large study, so I wouldn't use this as hard scientific evidence. But what I would say is, from a clinical perspective, the higher drop, the correct fit, the metatarsal pad, gentle arch support makes complete sense to support your foot, facilitate recovery, and take the pressure off those lower limb muscles. They come in an array of colours, like this lime green, a charcoal black, and a white. They're currently on the market on February 1st from £65, but if you get on the wait list, there is some discount available. So what do you think of these recovery slides? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll pop a link in the description below if you want to check them out. And otherwise, thanks again for tuning in.